Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we have had technical difficulties, so today I'm gonna do something quick. It probably won't get onto YouTube anytime soon, but anytime super fast, I mean. Anyway, today let's do something different while I work on the other video, the continuation of Summer Night. So today we are gonna do something super simple, and I don't know how or why I came up with this, but here we go. This will be a simple, perfect sandwich for the morning. First of all, let's put the ingredients on, shall we? Oh my god, I can't find my own ingredients. Well, we need to start with a topping. So, first of all, let's put some butter on it, or in this case, margarine, I think. Good. Next, we need something along the lines of something to top it a little bit more with. Let's say we need some ketchup. Anything is better with ketchup. So, conveniently, we have some tomatoes here. Now let's put some mayo as well. Don't you dare break. I don't know, something even more complicated, or maybe simple. We need some cheese. You cannot make sandwich without a cheese, so let's put some cheese there. You stay there. That should do it, I think. Let's put something exotic on it. Exotic my ass. Something unusual. Let's say, let's put some pasta. I think that should be. Are you focusing? I may need some light. Yep, light. So we now have to say the magic words. So did my camera move? I think it moved. Abracadabra, subale bastille. And boop. We have a perfect sandwich for the morning. At least tomorrow morning, because it's already midnight. I forgot to add a very important ingredient. Meat. This helpful little cow helped us. I think it's a cow. It looks like a cow. Yeah, it's definitely a cow. So a perfect mix of bread, butter, and all the good stuff mixed into one. Bon appetit!